In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a shared folder into a team folder in Dropbox using the business or team version. This can be really handy for organizing and managing access to your team's resources more effectively. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure a smooth transition. To begin, you need to confirm that you're using a Dropbox team account, as these are designed specifically for collaborative environments. It's important that you also have edit access to the shared folder you want to convert. Without these permissions, you're like a ship without a sail, unable to make the changes necessary. Next, let's make sure the shared folder you intend to convert is owned by a member of your team and not by an external user. This is crucial because only folders owned by team members are eligible for conversion to team folders. Think of it like rearranging your furniture. You need to own the room to make those changes. Once you've confirmed that everything is in place, it's time to head over to the admin console. You might find it under a different name depending on your setup, but look for Content or something similar. From there, locate the folder you aim to convert. It will feel like finding that perfect book in a library's vast shelves, but once you have it in sight, click on Manage Access, which will be your key to making the necessary adjustments. In the settings, what you're looking for are the folder settings. Specifically, you'll want to identify the option for Folder Membership. This is where you can dictate who gets to be in the club, so to speak. Click on the drop-down menu and select Only Team Members. This setting makes sure that only people within your organization have access, helping maintain control and keep your team's work streamlined and protected. If you have members in the folder who are outside your team and there's a need for a bit of additional cleanup, you can opt to remove them. To do this, go back to the Manage Access area and select Shared Member. From there, you can choose to remove any external members who don't need access. It's like curating the perfect guest list for an exclusive event, ensuring that only the right people are involved. By now, the folder should be successfully transformed from a shared folder into a team folder. This conversion ensures that your files are part of a more secure, organized, and team-focused environment. Congratulations on taking this step in enhancing your team's workflow in Dropbox. That wraps up our guide for today. Following these instructions will provide your team with the proper structure needed for efficient collaboration. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.